Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I have a massive Urban Decay haul to share with you. Now for the past couple of weeks, Urban Decay has been slaying my life shade by shade by shade because they came out with some cool new lip glosses. Now I have never been a big lip gloss girl until I discovered these new hi-fi lip glosses. Now these lip glosses are amazing. Now I have two eyeshadow palettes as well to share with you now. And one of these eyeshadow palettes comes with a little twist, so you want to stay tuned. So keep watching this video so you can see all that's new from Urban Decay. Alright guys, so let's get right into it. So the first thing that I'm most excited about are the hi-fi lip glosses that I was telling you about in the intro. Now these are ultra cushion lip glosses with super shine and pigmentation. So this is how the box came. How cute is this? It's like a box covered in cassette players. Really cute, and I love this little thingamajig right here too. Ooh, like so cute. So I gotta find a place to put this because I'm definitely keeping this. Now the packaging alone just had me gone, you know what I'm saying? Like it had me just automatically lit when I saw this. But anyway, let's go ahead and get right into the actual products. Now there are 20 lip glosses. Now all of these have different finishes, though they are all extra pigmented and they're full coverage lip glosses. Though you get some that are super glittery, super metallic-y, and then you have your lip glosses that are like true lip glosses, but just like true color, like no glitter, no type of metallic finish, anything like that. It's just a true lip gloss, you know what I mean? Just a full opaque lip gloss. Alright, so yeah, let's go ahead and I'm gonna go ahead and show you one of my favorites, a few of my favorites in here that I have been loving. First off, we have to get into Gold Mine. Now this is the most beautiful gold lip gloss I ever did lay my eyes on. Look at that. And this is truly how it appears on the lips. Now I've worn this one twice, guys, and I love this one. This one just makes any matte lipstick pop that much more. Look at that. So gorgeous. Now this one is a favorite. Now you can wear this alone and it's extra cute. A lot of glow. Now this one will really complement your gold highlighter, gold eyeshadow, you know, just like a gold glow. So pretty. So yeah, I love this one paired with matte lipsticks or alone. Okay, and another favorite is going to be Fuel. Did I pick up the right one? Well, I like this one too, but this was $19.93 and this one has to be Fuel. Okay, so these are two favorites as well. These are nudes. Now everybody knows I love a nude lipstick, and now I have the perfect nude lip glosses to go with my nude matte lipsticks because most of my nude lipsticks are matte. So these are perfect. So this first one is going to be $19.93. This is what it looks like. It's just a perfect nude. Perfect. Now this one is a little more peachy, a little more peachy pink to it, and this one's called Fuel. Really love these two. I'm going to go ahead and swatch. Now this first one is Fuel. That's going to be that one right there. Look at that one. So pretty. Look at that, guys. Oh, I am loving these lip glosses. Now, I do have a couple of the Lip Glass by MAC, but these are way more prettier because you have a deeper and larger shade range than MAC. So, looks like MAC has a little competition in the lip gloss department. So yeah, that's $19.93. So pretty. So these are my favorites as far as like the nude selection goes. Now my next favorites, we're gonna go towards the pinky pinks. Now this one is bomb.com. Now I haven't worn either of these, but they are so pretty. So we're gonna go ahead and swatch these four as well. Now what I have here is Big Bang. Look at that color. That is so beautiful. OMG. And the glitter in it. Oh my God, guys. So pretty. Go ahead and swatch it there. And you know how some lip glosses can just look so pretty in the tube, and then it just looks like trash once you put it on the lips or pair it with your favorite lipstick? These do not. As you see, what's in the tube is what you get on your lips. So yeah, there it is right there. So, so pretty. And again, that one was Big Bang. Alright, the next one, we're going to go with another pinky pink as well. This one is Savage. And it's a hot pink. I'm going to put it right next to Big Bang. This is it there. Look at that, guys. So pretty. The color payoff is just amazing with these. So you get a nice gloss with a beautiful opaque finish. Now these two, I can see me totally rocking these together. Now this is Jawbreaker and Snapped, honey. So together, honey, you are going off with these. So you got Jawbreaker and Snapped for the win together. So the perfect combination. Let's go ahead and get us a swatch going. So yes, look at how opaque the color payoff is. The finish of these is just gorgeous. So again, this one is Jawbreaker, this pretty purple here. Alright, and now we're going to swatch Snapped. Now all of these lip glosses can be picked up in Ulta, so you can find these in Ulta. And that is Snapped. Beautiful purple glittery gloss with like a blue undertone to it. So pretty, so pretty. Girl, I am so smitten to have this entire collection. Now these glosses retail for $20, so not bad for such beautiful lip glosses, and the color payoff is amazing, guys, amazing. So let's get into the Urban Decay Disco Queen collection, and this is the packaging for this. Now this one is amazingly pretty as well. Now this is a highlighter kit, so you get a pressed purple highlighter here along with the highlighter stick. So let me show you this highlighter. Now, like I said, I love products that I can use for multiple things. So not only can I wear this as a highlighter, but I can also use this as an eyeshadow as well. So that is why I am smitten with this little collection as well. And again, this is from the Disco Queen collection. And this is a holographic highlighter pressed powder. So it has like a lavender with a bluish purpley glitter reflects in it. So that is it there. So that is how it would look on the skin. It gives me like winter ice queen type vibes. Just so pretty. Unicorn vibes. So I am loving this, and this is the stick. So if you want to turn it up a notch, you'll put this down first. Now this one looks a little more pinky. This is the stick. So if you want to turn it up a notch, use the stick, then set it with the powder. Really, really nice. So yeah. Really cool. So yes, honey, Urban Decay is snatching edges this spring, honey. They have some really beautiful things. And then I did get 5 of the 24/7 Ultra Glide liners. Now I love these liners. These liners are some of the best liners that I've ever tried. Like I especially love this black one. And lately I've been into lining my lower lash line like with a heavy black liner, and this is what I have been using, and this is in the color 0. almost like a gel liner. So there it is, just a deep matte black, and it just goes on so smooth, just effortlessly. Love this one, guys. I so in love, so in love. All right, let me show you another favorite. Now this one is called Alkaline, and it's like a deep plummy color. Yes, loving this. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. So not only do you can you use this on your upper and lower lash line, but you can use this as a lip liner as well, guys. So yes, like I said, I love products that I can get multiple uses out of. So that is always a plus. So let's get into one of my favorites from their new launches. Now this one isn't quite available to the public yet, but you can go ahead and sign up on the website and for the notifications once this launches. Now this was one of those items that you're not going to want to miss. This one's going to retail for $49, which I thought was a really, really great, reasonable price for this, because it's like a palette with both blushes and highlighters, and you get eyeshadows as well. So it's like two palettes in one, in this cute little easy to move around, just easy to travel with compact. I really love that, and I love the fact that the mirror in it is removable, so you can take that out if you don't want the bulk of this palette, because it is a little heavy, but not like annoyingly heavy, but it is a little heavy. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the shade. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 beautiful shades here, and I love these. I want to say that they're like a play kind of on the Naked Heat, but prettier. These are much prettier colors right here in one palette. Now my favorites in this palette would be Shade and WTF. I love those, and I love 180 as well as Attitude. And everybody knows I love Bear, because Bear is like one of those colors that I can wear every day on my lid. And I love the fact that you do have some matte shades in here as transition colors, and WTF is a great transition color for all the shades in this palette. So this palette is awesome. Now let's go ahead and look at the blushes as well as the highlighters. Now as far as the blushes go, I love every single one of these in this little kit here. Now you get 4, so these are more like the highlighters here, and these are the blushes. You got Cheap Shot, Double Take, Low Key, and Party File. Now these are beautiful on all skin tones. I'm actually wearing Double Take and Low Key today, and I am feeling the way this looks on my skin, guys. Yes. Now let's go ahead and talk about what's on my eyelids. Now I didn't use the BACKTALK palette, though I will be using this a lot in some upcoming videos, but let's get into the Naked Heat Petite palette. Now I know you've probably seen this one on Instagram a lot, because this is where I first discovered this one. I was like, oh, I want that. But yeah, now I have it. Now the colors in this palette are just bomb.com, and you can just easily, quickly bang out a beautiful look. Now my whole eye look today is from this little palette, and I only use 2 colors in this palette, and I use both Heist and Strike. So these 2 colors here are on my lid. This is like on my mobile lid, and I use Heist as my little transition color to blend it out, to make it look a little more, you know, smooth. You know, look, I put in some effort into my look. But yes, I love this palette. I love how compact and small it is. It's easy for travel. If you're one of those girls who likes to pack your makeup in your purse, then this is the perfect size for that. You can even put this in your pockets if you wanted to. I don't know why you want this in your pocket though, but it is conveniently pocket size. But yes, I am loving this. So this came right on time because I do have travel planned for next week, and this palette is definitely going with me. So yes, I love it, and the pigmentation is just as great as any other Urban Decay Naked palette. You know, these colors are bomb. So that was, I forget, that was Strike. Okay, and this is Heist, and these are the two colors that are on my lids today. So yes, I am loving these palettes, and these are like my favorites. Everybody knows that I'm a neutrally type girl. I love neutral looks, and yeah. I'm also wearing BACKTALK on my lips as my lipstick, and it's also an Urban Decay lipstick, and this is the packaging. This is what it looks like, guys. So yes, I am smitten with the Urban Decay line. I am loving these, and they have some awesome nude lipsticks for all women of color, so be sure to check them out. I also have more swatches and more pictures of these products as well on my blog, so be sure to check it out. But yes, I just needed to show you what Urban Decay has in store for us coming soon, and what they have, honey. They are snatching edges, honey. So yes, guys, yes, praise Urban Decay right now. But yeah, that's pretty much it for me. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you have not, and I will see you in my next video. And be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. That is how I know you like these type of videos from me. And if you want to see more looks with the BACKTALK or the Petite Heat palette, be sure to leave a comment below, because, but anyway, though, I definitely will be uploading more videos using these products, because you have to see how great these are, especially using a little palette like this. A lot of people think that you can't get really beautiful, glamorous looks out of little small palettes like this, but you definitely can. You can bang out some beautiful looks with palettes just like this. But yes, guys, I will see you in my next video. Bye.